Welcome to today's video. My name's Amir and this is the Jaecoo 7. Now, we are seeing so many of these cars on the road at the moment. They are absolutely lovely to drive. However, we do need to protect them. So this client is actually a returning client of ours who's had plenty of work done before, but after they picked this car up from EMG Huntington, where they had a great experience, they really wanted to secure this vehicle. So the next stop was here at CBS Automotive to help protect their new purchase. Now, what we fitted to this car is the Scorpion S5 tracker, as well as the Ghost 2 Immobiliser. Two amazing security upgrades and ones that we fit here all the time at CBS Automotive, but one that this client has on all of their vehicles as well. So we'll start off with the tracker and how that can help you. The Scorpion S5 is one of the best systems out there. We sell that in a combination with the Vodafone S5 tracker, both amazing options on the security market. So the way that the system works is you are given two little tags. And they're called ADR tags, but the way they work essentially is if they're in the vehicle when you start and drive away, not a problem. However, if they are not in the vehicle when it started moving or it starts driving off, you will be notified immediately via a phone call from Scorpion alerting you to what the vehicle is doing. They'll ask you if you're driving the vehicle or not, and if you aren't, they can work directly with the police to find and locate your vehicle. Now, cars are being stolen more and more often in the UK. It's happening a lot, and making sure that you protect your car is really important with a Ghost Immobiliser, but also the tracker is a really key part to that. So if the vehicle is ever stolen, you can help get it back really, really quickly. Just like with anything, the first few hours and days when a vehicle is stolen are the most vital to getting it back. And by having a tracker there instantly to tell the police exactly where it is so they can go recover it is really, really important. Now, the second upgrade we've added to this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser. Now, we fitted this to so many vehicles. It's a really important upgrade to do to these cars. It really helps protect them from thieves and being stolen from your driveway. So I'm sure you've seen with cars like this, when they are keyless, how easy it is for thieves to clone your keys and just drive away. It's happening more and more often, and having a Ghost 2 Immobiliser completely stops that from happening. Even if they had your key in their hand, they still wouldn't be able to drive this car away. And that is a really, really important feature. So we're going to jump in the car now. I'm just going to give you a quick overview how Ghost Immobiliser actually works. So now we're inside the car. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of how Ghost Immobiliser actually works. Now, important to bear in mind that every car is different in the way that it works. The indications, the actual code and the buttons you can use does vary car to car. But just to give you an overview how the system works, because it can be a little bit confusing if you're not sure what it is. So remember, Ghost is a vehicle immobiliser. Its job is to stop any thief being able to start your car and drive away. Now, this works on hybrids, petrol, diesel, pretty much any car. It's really, really nice solution that protects your vehicle. So as you can see, everything is completely hidden. There is no visible or kind of anything that you can see that's going to tick off to a thief that you do have an immobiliser fitted. No keypads, nothing on your fobs, nothing like that. Just nice, simple, discreet security. So the way that works is I sit in the car, and essentially all I do is, again, it does vary a little bit per car, but in this one, I put the ignition on and then I put in my PIN code. Now, a PIN is not anything on a separate PIN pad or anything like that. It uses the existing buttons in the vehicle. So for example, it could be a volume up 3 times and my window down switch, and that is my PIN. Now, you can have any combination from up to 4 characters or more, depending on how secure you want it to be, but it just adds that extra layer of security to your car. Once you've put in your PIN, you can then start the car and drive away absolutely normal. Now, that sounds like a bit of a faff every time you get into your car, but you get really, really used to it. I kind of compare it to the way that you have a passcode on your phone. It's the same system for your car. Why would you not? So really, really simple. Get in, put your ignition on, put your PIN in, whatever that might be, whether that's on your steering wheel, center console, or on the window switches, and then you drive away. It's a really neat solution to security, and one that I'd recommend you have on any car. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video looking at the Scorpion S5 tracker as well as this Ghost Immobiliser system, or would like to have it on your vehicle, do get in contact with myself or my team, and we will find the right solutions for security on your vehicle. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and like this video as well, but I'll see you in the next one.